Namaste everybody, this is Josna Rao from Blue Lotus Boutique, Hyderabad. So today we are bringing you beautiful Sungudi cotton sarees for the summer with pen kalankari. As you can see, like the one I'm wearing, it comes with a lovely almost 1 foot border, 12-inch border with a traditional hand woven border on antique gold, and we have beautiful pen kalankari all through the saree. These sarees are priced at 7,000. I will be posting 18 sarees on my Instagram page. I will leave you the link below this video. So I will showcase few sarees in this video. So this is our saree number 1. This is the pallu of the saree. These sarees doesn't have a blouse. So this is our saree number 1. This has lovely yellow bamboos on it. The next one, comes with a Rani pink border, blue base with little pink roses painted all through. All our sarees are hand sketched and hand painted with natural colors. They're all natural pen kalankari. Again, traditional Sungudi saree with a traditional hand woven border and the pallu. The sarees will not have a blouse. You can check my Instagram page for the detailed videos and photos of all the sarees. I will leave you my WhatsApp number and Instagram link below. Look at this saree, lovely blue border. It's a complete contrast with little blue flowers all through the saree and the pallu of the saree. So the next one has a deep maroon border with a green color base and a little hint of very different kind of flowers for this very subtle and very classy looking saree with a maroon pallu. So the next one has a deep navy blue border with a red base kalankari. This is again a minimal kalankari, as you can see, little lotuses, and this will be the pallu of the saree. So we have one more. Look at this. This also has a minimal kalankari, and look at the way it's reflecting. It's very beautiful. And this will be the pallu of the saree and the border. This is also one of a kind. I'm showcasing all the best pieces in this. So we have few more of the best pieces which we'll be posting on Instagram too. So this on with a blue border and a red base kalankari with a blue pallu. So we have one in a grey border, or this is almost a greyish border. So with a deep red kalankari base and little colors. We didn't use much colors, so we have kept it very subtle and simple. This will be the pallu of the saree. These are all pure hand woven cotton sarees. So we have one more here, and again this is a deep blue with a red base kalankari. All of them are hand woven cotton. This will be the pallu. These sarees, they don't come with a blouse. They're priced at 7,000. I will leave you my WhatsApp number. You can ping us for the entire collection, or you can visit our Instagram page. Thank you.